for May 28th, 2019. Hi, my name is David Clausen, and each day I go through hundreds of videos and articles so you learn everything new in the roofing industry in less than 5 minutes. So make sure to subscribe. And we start out with S5 Metal Roof Innovations, where they give answers to some great FAQs about their attachment system, how they attach to metal roofs, and they have a lot of great innovations. I will link to their website so you can see how they mount things. Especially in this video, they talk about solar mounting, where they can avoid the racks. They can just attach directly to the seam. So if you do metal roofs, check that out. Oh, and I forgot to say, below the video I always put links so you can watch the full video and article. Chad with the Roof Coating Life gives out some great information on skin cancer. Squamous cell, I've never even heard of it. Carcinoma, or SCC, the most common form of skin cancer, and he gives some info on the headscarf or the head rag that he recommends. Gary Wylock shows, after 5 years, Timberline Ultra, how well the shingles have held up. He's very impressed with it, and you should be impressed because he's done roofs for over 40 years. Always Dimitri with great information. This time Home Advisor, he talked about it a few weeks ago, but here, how they get felons. So, Home Advisor's getting some bad press lately. Sofdesk, just kind of a quick demo of their software. It's more for their customers. And Chad with Insurance Restoration Training, he's down in Texas, gives some great information when you should build the job. It's always awesome information on how to do it with supplements and the insurance roofing claims process. So make sure to check that out. You can really earn a lot more money by knowing the insurance process, and he gives out such great free information. And IKO has released a whole bunch of contractors on the street videos, so you can see different contractors and how IKO has benefited them. Sam Taggart, door to door. This guy told him to get the hell out of here, but Sam got him to give him a report on solar panels anyway. So if you're doing door to door, you definitely want to watch this. This is a cool under the cover video. And Becca Switzer talks about the people you need to watch out for, the people that are always blaming somebody other than themselves. So always good information for roofing sales. And I did a quick video. It's not a quick video, it's actually 15 minutes long, but you need to watch it because I've been doing YouTube for about 6 years, and it's the best free marketing tool, and that's because Google owns it. So for search engine optimization, it's totally free, and you got to do it, and I show you some tips and tricks on what you need to do for that. And this will get your Tuesday after Memorial. If you are hungover, the best damn roofer is going to give you some medicine on what to do. So if you need a little laugh, you'll have to check that out. And also in the news, watch out for this. Thieves steal thousands of equipment from Pompano Beach roofing business. So watch out for that. So this news is brought to you by the Roofing Webmasters. We are the best roofing website company in the world. So if you want to get more local leads by ranking on Google, make sure to give me a call at 303-519-6353 or give me a text, and I'll just give you some facts on how we can get Google to fall in love with your roofing business and to get you a great return on investment. So that is the roofing news for May 20th, 2019. Be safe on the roof and have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.